This is the Monopoly with the white star. Sound is unplugged. Here are the 3 ROMs that the operator asked me to replace. The sound ROM and the 3 individual 1, 2, 3 sound ROMs. Connections are good. All of the bolt points for grounding appear to be grounded. I'm not sure of the default for the dip switches. I need to look that up. Here's the plug, and you'll hear the sound when I plug it in. We know that these are the speaker wires. To the best of my knowledge, I checked the grounding on the speakers. Speakers are grounded here, here. The DMD is grounded, and all grounded to the cabinet here. Test lights appear to be working. Any tips are greatly appreciated.